Imagine the irresistible aroma of fresh herbs, the vibrant colors of summer vegetables, and the rich, comforting taste of a perfectly baked ratatouille. Today, we're making a delicious, melt-in-your-mouth ratatouille that will transport you straight to the heart of Provence. For this recipe, you'll need veggies, 2 eggplants, 6 Roma tomatoes, 2 yellow squashes, 2 zucchinis, sauce, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 medium white onion, 4 cloves garlic, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, kosher salt, to taste, freshly ground black pepper, 28 ounces, crushed tomatoes, 2 tablespoons thinly sliced fresh basil, herb seasoning, 2 tablespoons thinly sliced fresh basil, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 2 tablespoons finely chopped fresh parsley, 2 teaspoons fresh thyme leaves, kosher salt to taste, freshly ground black pepper, 4 tablespoons olive oil. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Using a sharp knife or a mandolin, slice the eggplant, tomatoes, squash, and zucchini into thin, even rounds, about 1 millimeter thick. Set them aside. Heat olive oil in a large, oven-safe pan over medium-high heat. Add the diced onion, minced garlic, and bell peppers. Sauté for about 10 minutes until soft and fragrant. Season with salt and pepper. Add the crushed tomatoes to the pan, stirring everything together until well combined. Remove from heat and mix in the basil. Smooth out the sauce with a spatula. Arrange the sliced vegetables in an alternating pattern over the sauce, working from the outer edge to the center of the pan. In a small bowl, mix together the basil, garlic, parsley, thyme, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Spoon this aromatic herb mixture over the vegetables for maximum flavor. Cover the pan with foil and bake for 40 minutes. Then, remove the foil and bake uncovered for another 20 minutes until the vegetables are tender and beautifully roasted. This dish can be served hot as a flavorful main course or a vibrant side dish. If you have leftovers, ratatouille tastes even better the next day. Simply reheat in a 180 degrees Celsius oven for 15 minutes or microwave until warm. This ratatouille is the perfect way to celebrate the flavors of summer. Whether you're serving it at a dinner party or enjoying a cozy meal at home, give it a try and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite way to enjoy this French classic? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. See you next time, and happy cooking!